Get her, Boots. Get her. Get the bird.
There she goes. Yep, she's Boots, get it, get it, get it,
Boot.
get it.
Come on. Chicken shit. Hey, what are you chasing me for?
He's trying to get on your shoe.
Crazy ass bird. Where's my, oh, there it is.
Get it, get it. She doesn't like that at all.
She doesn't like that?
No, I can't remember who was. Oh, Elias was playing with it. Literally, he was putting her like on her cage, and she flew off the cage rather than.
Get it, Boots. Hey! Doing the bad shit. Oh. Come on, bird.
Come on. Come on. Get it, Boots. Get it. Get it. Get it. See a bird or a red dot? She'll climb right up here.
Oh, crikey.
She will.
Yeah! Here, go on the chair, bird. Hey, go on the chair, thank you.
Just don't poop. There you go.
Hey, fuck, what?
She climbing up you.
Ah! Go to your dad.
Come on.
Thank you.
What is that? Oh. What is that?
Bird.
You pretty? She's trying to grab it.
She's trying to grab it. She's like, fuck that. Oh.